Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a very special episode of Cooking with Cheese. Today we're making a very special dish. It is so delicious. Can't wait for y'all to see how we make it, and I hope you try it for yourselves. I'm not going to tell you what it is, so just follow along in the video and see if you can guess what it is. Let's get it. First things first, we're going to take 2 slices of potato bread. Me personally, I love potato bread. That's why I'm using it today. So we're going to get 2 slices, like so. And you're going to take these, you're going to drop them in the toaster and toast them to your preferred preference. Look at that, they came out perfect. Whew. Beautiful. Look at that nice golden brown. It's beautiful. I love the smell of toasted bread. It's delicious. Look at that, beautiful. Anyways, on to the next step. Next step, we're gonna take some grape jelly. We're gonna put that on 1 slice of bread and spread it on there. You know, do it to whatever your preference is, you know. I like a nice little coating, not too much, not too little. You know, that's about right. Might need a little bit more. Just a little. Make sure you spread it nice and evenly across the bread. Don't forget them edges. You want everything covered. And with that, the jelly bread is done. On to the next step. Next, you're gonna want to grab some peanut butter, whatever kind you like, you know. Not too many rules to this dish. You know, take a nice chunk of that, spread that on the other side of the bread. Make sure you spread it nice and evenly. Don't miss those edges. For me, this is just like the perfect way to make this dish. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. With that, the peanut bread is done. Now, for the final step, you want to pay attention very carefully. I don't want to go too fast with you. All right? You're gonna take the 2 pieces of bread, close them together, and then you're gonna cut diagonal. Don't cut straight down. You're gonna cut diagonal. You hear that crunch? My God. Ooh. Make sure it's cut all the way through. Look at that cross section. For me, this is perfect. Look at that cross section. Oh, beautiful. And with that, we're done. And now, you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test. Let's get it. y'all already know. That food, you saw the little, that food was definitely delicious. Thank you for watching today's episode. Happy April Fool's Day if you haven't already guessed by now. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.